Hey peeps, welcome back to Pips Prints 3D. So my latest little project, as you know, or some of you know, my eldest wee one loves WWE wrestling, and as I'm recording this, it's his birthday tomorrow. So if he sees this, happy birthday, wee man. But he loves the wrestling, so I've designed him a backstage, what would you call them? Props sort of thing. So anyways, I'll show you, one sec. So as you see, this one is basically a blank wall. You can put stickers on, different bits and bats. Then we have a door, which is breakable. I'll show you in a minute. Then we have a table and a locker. Now the locker is magnetised on, so it comes off. You can see inside magnets there. I've had to do a bit of melting on top of there. But it's magnets on the side too, so you can attach it open as if it's open, and then boom, bash the wrestlers through it. Needs a bit of cleaning up where I've had the glue, and then I've put a wee knobbly bit on top just to identify where the top is, because the magnets are not in the middle. And again, you can put some wee WWE stickers or whatever on there. Me and him are going to do a wee bit of painting on them with some acrylic pens, just get them a bit more patina looking. As you can see, I've already done the signs up there, but I couldn't get the pen inside the exit, so I've got some paint for that. But yeah, the door also goes through. Oh, if you whack it, like so. Yeah, I'm still thinking about to glue these in. It works better when I'm doing it with both hands, but as you see, I've got these wee tabs on the back, so these click in the back here and help it stand. Obviously when I've got it on a proper surface and I'm not filming and stuff, I might glue them in actually, and then they stand great. And I can put the door through, and then the door is just, as usual for me, magnets. Because you know me, I love a good magnet. So if I can film this right, that clicks on like that. Handle goes to click, click. The right hand side. I'm again doing it with one hand here. But yeah. And then bosh, you can put your wrestlers through. So yeah, he loves these things. So I've messed around and designed these and played around with them, so I'm hoping they're going to work grand for him, and he can add them to the rest of his collection. So yeah, that's my latest project, guys. I can maybe do a few more. They take a long time to print. The big one with the locker and stuff in it was like 8.5 hours, and then I had to do the door on top of that, which is another like hour and a bit. So yeah, they take a while. And then the wee brackets for the back are 45 minutes. But we'll see how they go. I'll probably end up gluing them things in, so they don't drop out. But for a quick first design, not too bad. Anyways, that's what I've been up to lately. I still haven't got that in yet. I still have to put my canvas system on. As you can see, it's still sat there without it. I have another Dummy 13 sat there for me. That's one that failed. A couple of the bits failed in it, but I've got the body parts done for me. So that is going to be my next project. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you've enjoyed. If you have, please give us a like, follow, thumbs up, whatever you're watching me on. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.